Marami ang mga nagulat sa hiwalayang Maris Racal at Rico Blanco nito lamang July 12, matapos itong i-anunsyo ng actress na si Maris Racal. Lahat ay nalungkot dahil ang dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan ay gusto pa ng dalaga na mag-explore, at nalungkot ang iba para kay Rico dahil ito ay gusto na magpakasal. Ngunit kamakailan nga lamang ay inihayag ni Inigo Pascual na proud siya sa kanyang dating ka-love team at ex-girlfriend na si Maris Racal for choosing herself. Matagal nang walang ugnayan ng dating celebrity couple na sina Inigo Pascual at Maris Racal. Pero aminado ang aktor na nananatili siyang updated sa ilang mga ganap ng aktres, at kabilang na nga riyan yung recent breakup ni Maris kay Rico Blanco.
Inigo, I hope you answered this question. I know, since your trilogy is about heartbreak, you know your ex also is going through heartbreak right now. I mean,
Yeah, no, I don't mean to laugh. I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh. No, I saw it. I actually watched it. I feel for her. I know it's tough, but I see it in a good light. The way she talks about it, she's getting to know herself and choosing herself, and that's something I'm very proud of her. You know, it's always hard to turn a page, to turn a chapter. It's always hard to do that, but it's out of a good heart. Yung ginagawa ni Maris, hindi siya, walang masamang nangyari, walang masamang anything, you know, it's out of a good intention. And her expressing that it's not a third party and it's not anything else, it's her choosing herself and getting to know herself more. You know, it's something that only the strongest people can do. Minsan, mas mahirap piliin yung sarili mo kaysa sa mga bagay na gusto mo.
Nakapag-usap ka ba kay Maris?
I haven't talked to her in a long time, but I'm updated with her, you know, like her career naman, you know, I got to hear some stuff, and I'm proud of her.
Samantala, taong 2021 naman nang kumpirmahin ng young actress ang real score nila ni Rico makalipas ang 2 taon nang mag-collaborate sila sa isang single.